Here are the life and times of Eurosta solidaginis. Eurosta solidaginis is a tephritid fly that spends its entire life cycle reliant on the goldenrod plant. In midsummer, a mated female will insert an egg into the terminal bud of the goldenrod with the ovipositor on her abdomen. Sensory organs on the ovipositor will allow her to taste the plant and see if it is suitable. Let's see if she likes this one. Evidently so. After ovipositing, the female has nothing left to live for, and so quickly dies. Nature can be a cruel place. 7 to 10 days later, the egg will hatch and the larva will burrow down to just below the bud. The plant will keep growing, but the larva will induce the formation of a gall in the goldenrod stem, full of nutrient-rich tissue for the larva to feed on throughout the summer. When winter approaches, the larva chews itself a tunnel to just beneath the surface of the gall, which it will later use to emerge as an adult. This must be done now because the adult fly has no mouthparts and thus no way to make a tunnel through the gall tissue. After that work is complete, plant senescence triggers entry into diapause and the larva waits out the winter. The larva produces several cryoprotective chemicals that will prevent the formation of ice crystals within its cells. The fly can also avoid freezing to death by the production of ice-nucleating agents, primarily proteins, that provide places where freezing can occur outside the cells, such as in the gut or the hemolymph, where it will do less harm. The gall environment in winter is far from constant, with daily temperature fluctuations in excess of 20 degrees centigrade possible. Yet Eurosta solidaginis is a champion winter survivalist. Cold will claim very few of the diapausing larvae, though they still face many threats. Eurosta larvae are a good source of winter nutrition for Minnesota chickadees and woodpeckers. The most deadly threats, however, strike earlier. The tumbling flower beetle Modellistena convicta oviposits on the Eurosta gall during the summer. Its larvae will share the living space and feed on the gall tissue, but if random chance brings it and the Eurosta larva together, the Eurosta larva will be eaten alive. The parasitoid wasp Eurotoma gigantea is by far the greater foe, as it oviposits directly into the larval chamber, and its larva feeds directly on the developing Eurosta. Both Modellistena and Eurotoma overwinter in the gall and emerge the following year. Come spring, the larva terminates diapause and begins to pupate. The Eurosta pupa forms inside the hard sclerotized cuticle of the last larva instar, known as a puparium. When it comes time to emerge, a membranous sac on the fly's head called a patilinum will help it break out of the puparium and later the gall. Once outside, the patilinum quickly deflates and the fly goes off into the world. Soon it will mate, and then it will die, and the cycle, like so many others in the natural world, will begin anew.